Hi, this is Nick from Pluto 7, and welcome back to AI Minute. Today we're going to be talking about Supplier AI. So let's put a minute on the clock and jump in. Supplier AI is an event-driven automation tool that updates supplier ranking once there is a buying signal. Supplier performance often relies on historical data that is not connected to demand signals. Supplier AI uses demand signals to identify saving opportunities, anticipate shortages, prioritize category spend, and prevent stockouts. A consumer packaged goods enterprise can use Supplier AI to review millions of invoices and detect anomalies in pricing and shortages. A manufacturer can anticipate a shortage of a key component in their supply based on a spike in demand. A retailer with a large variety can streamline their selection process by optimizing for high-performing suppliers. Supplier AI brings transparency to supplier capabilities based on demand, so you know what suppliers will perform and which ones will not. To learn more about Supplier AI, reach out to us at pluto7.com.